What the heck is going on here? Weird. Okay. Hi everyone. This is Rob. Welcome back to Rob's Cave 3.0. I got a little bit different project that I'm going to do today. I usually work on models. I recently did, replaced my chair, but I have a project now. My brother, Scott, is the bassist in a local rock band called Boneyard. You may have seen their name in the credits. A bunch of good guys. Dave's the drummer. There's Bongo, the lead singer, and there's Ronnie, who is also a backup singer and guitar player. Scott, as I said, does bass. Now, not too long ago, they were in a pretty bad wreck on the way home from a gig, and a lot of stuff got damaged. But in the meantime, Scott picked up a guitar, or actually picked up a bass on the Facebook Marketplace that looked pretty good, and when he got it, it's like it's okay, but it needs some work. It was a kit. Apparently, you can buy these things and put them together yourself. The guy that did it put it together okay, but the finish is kind of not good. So we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna completely disassemble this bass. We're gonna go ahead. We're gonna completely disassemble this bass and start stripping it down, making it smooth, making it better, and probably come up with a custom paint job for. Let's go ahead and get started on it. All right, this is the bass in question. You can see it's got an odd little paint job here. He's done a black outline, got a few little drips of paint on it. There's some nicks, which they're not that important. It's a nice attempt, but it's not there. We got to work with. What we're going to do is we're gonna pull this neck off first of all. The back here, the magic of in-camera editing. We're gonna pull this off. It's a little rough. It's got some glue spots, a little bit here that's not real nice. It's just not. So we're gonna take this off. It's gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 screws that will pull this off of the main body, and we will just let's just get to it. I've already said let's get to it. So I'm going to start taking it apart. Wasn't put together well. It's not in too terrible a shape. Let me get my small screwdriver. Ooh, see we've got this cleaned up. This edge is a lot nicer now. There's no drips in it, well, except for in here, and those aren't gonna really matter that much. But probably took, as you saw, probably took maybe 10 minutes of just careful sanding to get the edge cleaned. Now we're going to go ahead and work on getting the rest of this finish off, and that's going to take some time. And yeah, we'll just keep sanding. As you saw, I got a lot of sanding done on this. I got it nice and smooth. Most all of the finish, upper finish is gone. As you can see here, this is all now nice and sharp along the edges here. Same thing with this. This is all nice. And next, I'm going to start, I don't think I'm going to actually strip this. I'm going to polish this down because it is kind of rough. It looks like it's been put on really, really heavy. I have a method that I can use to polish this down, probably save the paint. Maybe if I can't, then we'll repaint it. All in all, excellent start for the bass guitar rebuild refinish for Scott. And yeah, so I'm just going to keep working on it. Thank you so much again for visiting Rob's Cave 3.0. I am Rob. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like to support the channel, you can do so by visiting our Patreon. And while you're there, you can buy Nala a treat. You can also buy me a cup of coffee here. Well, just please like, subscribe, share, tell all your friends, comment, and I will catch you on the next one.